Every precise movement is a pursuit of perfection in craftsmanship. Step into Guangdong Zongqi Automation and witness the intelligence behind motor manufacturing. Guangdong Zongqi Automation Co., Limited, focuses on the R&D, production, and sales of motor manufacturing equipment. With years of deep industry involvement, we've built a strong technical foundation and a professional team. From home appliances to industry, from automobiles and high-speed rail to aerospace, Zongqi equipment is widely applied across various sectors. Inside Zongqi Automation's intelligent factory, a seamlessly coordinated system of machines builds a complete and advanced motor manufacturing line. From precision coil winding to accurate insulation paper insertion, from automated wire embedding to shaping, binding, and plastic encapsulation, each process is seamlessly linked, delivering precision and efficiency hand in hand. With servo control and intelligent recognition, our systems achieve high-speed, stable performance. Flexible mechanics adapt to a wide range of motor types and process requirements. Zongqi machines offer not only high integration, but also excellent modularity and scalability, enabling rapid deployment of standardized or customized lines for a wide range of smart manufacturing scenarios. Production is monitored in real time with remote diagnostics and traceable quality control, making smart manufacturing more visible and manageable. One-click switching, multiple formats supported. We break the limits of traditional processes, driven by technology, empowered by intelligence. Our core technologies are driven by continuous innovation. With a team of experts, we push product evolution through relentless R&D. From system calibration to final inspection, we implement strict quality control to ensure every detail is flawlessly delivered. We don't just deliver machines, we deliver professional services from pre-sales to in-sale and after-sales stages. We support our clients in building intelligent factories to enhance efficiency and maintain industry leadership. Intelligent manufacturing begins with Zongqi. We are your trusted partner on the journey ahead. Guangdong Zongqi Automation Company Limited.